Alright guys, making a quick video on charging a Arlo battery that won't charge. This isn't for people that their battery is slowly getting worse. This is for people that this will not charge. And so real quick, what I'm using today is just your basic car charger. This is a 12 volt. Now this is really old, this car charger. Now they make ones where you can swap it to 9 or 12 volt. I'm going to be using this 12 volt with the clamps that you would use to charge up a car battery, a boat battery, something like that. Now I have seen people use different ones of these, but this is the one I'm going to be using. If you notice, it's not plugged up yet. That's for safety. What I've done is I've just clamped on a screw, just simply clamping on a screw here to give it that point on each one. That's all I've done. And then you have your Arlo battery here. Now when you look at this battery, you're going to have a positive all the way on the left here and a negative all the way on the right here. And then here's your, now I'm going to be sending a voltage to this, and it kind of wakes it up, and then you'll be able to charge. I'm not going to be liable for any damages this may cause or ending your warranty, but this is what I did for 3 different batteries. I bought 3 of these used, and they all 3 would not charge. So I'm going to go ahead and have these ready. Go ahead and have this put to the sides that I want here. So positive over here, negative over here. Now I'm going to plug up my charger here. Now what you want to be looking for when you do this is a little shock, a little let's see if I can get you zoomed in here. Voltage shock. So I'm going to try to get you as close in as I can here. See if you can see it. So I'm going to put this, the red one, to positive, black to negative, and you're going to see a little shock. If I can get this, there we go. Oh, there it went. That's all you need, one shock. Now this has been woken up, I guess. Now this you'll notice that when you put in a battery like this, you'll only see a plug on your Arlo app. You'll only see the little plug symbol. That means that your battery needs to be charged up, and if you have this charging and it only shows that plug, you're not charging anything. You need to be able to see the little battery symbol with the lightning bolt, and then you know it's charged when the lightning bolt, the little battery is illuminated green, and then you see the lightning bolt. So like I said, I bought 3 of these, and they all 3 just showed me the plug. And when you put it into your Arlo, it shows your camera's offline or something like that. That's when I knew that there was a problem. And now when you put this back in, and let's see, it wasn't doing anything before, so let's see if we can even see the little blue. Well, we can't see it there, but I'll have to get the charger. But you'll be able to start seeing it that it's charging. Now what happens is if you use this battery and you put it in this and you forget to charge it, and it stays in that camera for a long time, this camera will slowly start to make the battery go all the way down to 0. Once it's down to 0, it can't come back up. And I've used the same technique for Dewalt batteries. I have another video where I used it for a Dewalt battery, and you can even use it for these batteries. This was a return because it would not charge, defective. I got it working by doing the same procedure. So it is useful for different sorts of batteries besides Arlo. You'll have to watch some of my other videos to see how I did it. But that's how you're going to do it. Again, this is not for somebody that's the battery is not charging as much or not holding a charge as much. This is for people that just can't get something to charge, and it works for this and this. Again, this comes from putting stuff like this in a drill and just leaving it in the drill for months and months and months and not using it. The slow trickle will kill that battery, and then you have to wake it up. But I hope this helps some people. Don't throw those batteries away yet. Charge it up. And again, I hope this works for you, but I'm not liable for if you've done something wrong. And there's one last thing. You can actually charge these up by using another battery and then getting speaker wire. So I'm going to go ahead and say that you could probably do the same thing with this battery, taking speaker wire from the positive here, making like a little speaker wire from here to the positive of this battery, and do it, and it'll be a little bit safer and especially if you don't have one of these car chargers here. You might could try to do it that way as well, but it just needs a little voltage, just enough voltage, enough shock to start charging, because it's all the way at 0. So again, hope this helps some people get those Arlos back up and going.